Right, this is the assembly of the charcuterie cups, correct?
Okay, so we've cut some parchment paper into a rough square. Doesn't need to be perfect. And we're just gonna kind of fold it and stick it down into the cup. We're using that to protect the bottom so nothing's coming out on the sides, and also to give a place to stick things into.
Okay.
Now we're going to assemble all the pieces.
And we've decided it's better to assemble them all first and not put them in the cup as you go.
And not touch the cup.
Right, because it makes the cup greasy. And that's not
You just take the meat and fold it again, almost like little rosettes. And you're gonna go back and forth between the salami and the pepperoni.
Should it be 2 salamis and 1 pepperoni every time, or should it just be 2 of one and 1 of the other and it doesn't matter?
It probably won't matter, other than each batch of 12 should probably be similar.
Perfect, okay. Oh, you're doing both 2 of each.
And
okay.
on this one, there will be certain times where we want it more hearty, and those chefs will be told this is kind of almost like a lunch or a dinner for those guests at those certain times. So we're making that.
First.
And then we'll do olives, and again, 3 olives, so it could be alternating different colors, or you could do the 1 green in the middle.
Okay. Do you want more than 1 color on an olive?
But just
pick,
more than one color.
Okay.
And then with the cheese, there'll be 2 cheese slices, and these are cut like a pizza slice, and you're gonna go down the long ways like this, where it looks like a pizza.
Okay.
And then this one can go short ways. This one's breaking.
Okay.
Our cheese was frozen because we have been practicing a few times.
So your cheese will be
Your cheese should not break,
room
but now that I'm
temperature
saying
and-
that, I'm really nervous. I hope it doesn't.
don't be nervous. It's gonna be fine when the time comes.
Okay, so it'll look
Awesome.
like this.
Okay.
And then you're gonna grab pretzels and breadsticks and put those in the back. And these are the little breadsticks. And some of these are gluten-free crackers. So if there's someone in your shift that's gluten-free, that might be said, then we can just only use these crackers and not add these items.
All right. How many crackers did you want in the
We
base?
did 3 on each side, so 6 total. This is kind of gonna go more in the middle, with the olives to the left side and the cheese to the right side.
Very nice. And that worked out well. It didn't get all greasy this time. All right, so this is what they should look like. Very good.